Hi everyone, my name is Isra and today's video I'm going to be sharing a couple of tips with you to help fix cakey makeup. I think at some point we've all struggled with patchy textured skin and creases under our eye right after doing our makeup or maybe after a couple of hours. And I know how daunting the feeling is. So make sure you keep watching this video to know all the steps to get a flawless base. The key to a non-cakey base is making sure that you hydrate and moisturize your skin properly. If you have oily skin, go in with a lightweight moisturizer or a hydrating serum. And if dry skin is your main concern, then go in for a rich moisturizer. Don't forget to hydrate your under eyes as it will prevent creasing when you apply a concealer. Now that you've got a hydrated base, prep your skin with a primer. Not only will your makeup not budge, it'll also provide a smooth, even canvas for the makeup to sit upon. If you have dark pigmentation, redness or acne spots that can't be concealed using a concealer, make sure you apply the corrector as a tint and not as a thick layer of it. Blend it out properly. Next step would be to apply the foundation. Make sure you choose the right formula for your skin type. I'd recommend going for a lightweight and long-wearing formula to avoid having a chalky base. However, it's important to know that it's not only about what product you choose but also how you apply it. For an airbrushed finish, go in with a damp beauty blender and use it in a stippling motion. Work your way from the center of the face and blend, blend, blend. This will help prevent creasing, harsh lines and soften your makeup. Apply a concealer only where required, like under your eyes, maybe around the corner of your mouth, and make sure again you blend it properly with a beauty blender. Use a setting powder to ensure the foundation stays put and keeps away the shine. Yet again, gently dust your T-zone area. Coming to the last step, which is the most underrated, always use a setting spray to lock in the makeup. It helps control shine and it makes it transfer proof as well. Thank you so much for watching, each and every one of you. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you liked it. Until then, bye bye.